With batch processing, you can edit a multitude of photos all at once. To use the batch processing tool, click the Batch button at the top of the photo editor. Then either click the Add Images button or drag and drop your image files to upload the ones you want to edit. You'll find popular editing tools and photo effects to use in bulk in the menu on the left. Click on any tool to make adjustments to all the photos in your batch at once. You can even curate your own quick menu by clicking Manage Tools, and then selecting all of your favorite editing tools and effects to use on your batch. If at any time you need to clear the images from your batch, just click the Clear button to remove them. When you're ready to save your batch images, click the Save button. You'll be able to choose a file format, adjust the quality, and name your files before saving them all in a zip file for downloading.